Hey guys, today we're gonna play my childhood game. My childhood game. Yeah? Which one called Cooking Forever. So you're gonna do yourself cooking forever. Cooking forever. These bakers make. So that's an old game. Let's get got released in 2015, so it's like 11 years old. But I've got a short video though. Good, then. See you on. See you for a second. Okay. Custom wants a color with the opposite. Right. There we go. Coca-Cola, okay. Coca-Cola, yeah. Coca-Cola, yeah. Can't eat it still. Alright, so just put it from it. Guys, quick me do that. I've not got no storage. I've got no storage. He's on the customer. Burger. Okay. Your burger, you know. Bear burger good. Yeah, you want some of that? Damn, yeah. Yummy on it. Are you good? The food's coming, one sec. Yeah. What is it? What, bro? It doesn't know that much. Wasn't it? I got you too, man. Look, you got one all burgers. Damn it. Alright, so my burger. Yeah, look. Let's play this game. I took too long in the burner, so I've been burning all the food. Okay. Alright, so about how much got 202. Alright. Thank you. And let's just go to the second one. Not number 1, 2, blood. Was it 2? So stupid for that, blood. Come on, customer, you're waiting to me. You're waiting for now. You're waiting. Come on. Where are you? Here you go. Got burger, and cola. Bro, you keep getting the same thing, bro. Bro, do you like it that much? You could be getting the same thing all the time, bro. But I'm gonna complain. I need the burger. Are your burgers really chill, man? Oh, yeah. Burger shit, right? it's a burger boy. And currently the same thing, but yeah. Like, do you have anything else to order? Instead of keep ordering burger and Coca-Cola all the time. Damn. Hey, look at them up. Here's a drink. I'm getting the same thing. I'm getting bored of it now, man. I'm an individual right here. Damn, even like, what I'm doing it. I'm an individual right here, guys. So this is. I'm about to do a part 2. I'm gonna do part 2 tomorrow. I promise you, because I wanna finish this game, man. I can. Things kind of sound. Yeah, you're gonna get the Coca-Cola. I know you're gonna get the Coca-Cola, the same drink you keep getting. Yeah? Yeah? What's your problem, blood? You keep getting the same order all the time, blood. It's annoying. Damn. Here's the drink. Here's the change. Come on, man. Oh, it's just a short already, isn't it? It's all gone here. You see it again, come. Stop like, Is it that good? Like, I love burgers, but it's burgers. Yeah, this is something back in the day, bro. This started making me literally. Worry back in the day, it's kind of sad still. Alright, guys. This one is gonna be Alright, so Chris. I won't click. Oh my days. You want the same thing, do you? Oh my god, it's very distracting me, bro. I'm saying to you, you want the same thing distracting me, bro. Yeah. Damn. Sick.
Nah.
What do you mean? I just started cooking, blood. Wait, be patient, blood. What's wrong with you? Yeah. People are just so rude these days, but that's customer, man. Yeah. See, blood. Oh my days. I swear. Yeah, this is gonna get mad, man. This is gonna get you mad. I don't know what the hell. This is gonna get you mad, man. This is gonna get you mad. It's gonna get you mad, blood. I'm saying to you. Oh my god. What is this? I've got other videos to post later on today, you know. Yeah? Be patient, blood. You need to start. You just came in like about 10 seconds ago, blood. Are you already complaining? What's wrong with you? Burger, okay, cool. You know, I might just keep doing it, okay? All the customers want burger, blood. Definitely that burger, Coca-Cola, burger, Coca-Cola. What's wrong with you? Oh my god, oh my days, here. Here. Alright guys, innit? This is the end of the video now, guys, yeah? I'm gonna do a part 2 tomorrow in the morning. We'll have a video, blood. I'm finishing it, but I haven't got enough stores anyway. So guys, I've been doing that damn video, blood. And these customers, I told these damn customers to order in the same order every again, bro. It's gonna be mad. Alright, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.